Alrighty guys, what is going up? I hope you guys are all having a great and an amazing day today. Now in today's episode, we're going to be talking about ticker symbol GNUS. Now a lot of people have been asking me to review this stock, so I thought I might as well do it. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and overall, I hope you guys learned something. And if you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below. Also, if you guys want to sign up with Moomoo, you guys can get a free stock and then another free stock once you guys deposit $100. So that will be down below for you guys. So now let's jump into it. Roll the intro. Let's go. Bam! Alrighty guys, so we have ticker symbol GNUS. Now this stock literally went from 26 cents all the way up to $1.50. Hit that $1.50, went up to about $2.75, and then from there we had this really large squeeze hitting highs at $11.73. Now just by looking at it, it looks like a clear sign of a pump and dump. Pretty much this is just when large corporations, influencers, people that have a large following hype up a stock, sell out of their position, and so all the people who bought into it are now out of money. So now let's actually go ahead and draw out some support, resistance, and do I think it's a fair buy to get into this for the long term? Well, before we actually look at a long-term play on this, I want you guys to understand that it is completely fine with momentum trading this. Do I think you guys should invest long-term in this? Right now, I do think it's a little uncertain, just because the very first thing with any stock we look into is what's the trend? What is the trend of the stock? It's down. So pretty much we're going to need a break of this trend line really for the stock to go up to 380 just to for it to be even interesting to look at. Now, do I think getting in at 380 is an automatic buy? Absolutely not. I do think that looking at the volume is also very important here. So you guys can see where we just had no volume all the way back in here, and then look at this. We had these huge volume pushes and then nothing. Huge volume pushes and then slowly getting rid of it. And then within the past couple of months, we just had a crazy amount of volume hitting this stock, which made this stock run up a crazy amount. The stock went up over 400% in a short amount of time, which is nuts. Another thing too is the RSI, which is the relative strength index, really stated this stock was extremely overvalued all the way here at $2.50. So that's actually pretty crazy to look at. Another thing too, when this stock hit $11, you have to look at the company as a whole if you guys are doing a long-term investment. Now, if you guys are trading this side, there's nothing wrong with that. A lot of very, very popular traders like Ross Cameron, a variety of others, they have momentum trades. And that's completely fine to do, but understand that with each penny that this stock goes up in value, your risk goes up as well. Just because something is going up in value does not mean it's going to continue to go up in value forever. So now let's actually go ahead and look at Google Trends. I know you might be saying, well, Carter, why are we looking at Google Trends here? Because I want to show you guys that this is a very common pump and dump. So you guys can see, I just put GNUS here. So this is going to go ahead and really just get a good overall understanding of how many articles are pumping up this stock. So you guys can see really one, couple right in here, which probably made these little humps right here, made these little short runs. But within the past couple of weeks, we had this. You guys can clearly see that this looks very close to the overall chart. So now that corporations and people are kind of done with this stock, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we're going to fall back down here? It's very common for that to happen. I do not think anybody should be buying this stock right now. I do think there is better opportunity elsewhere in the market. Understand that with each stock you get into, it carries risk. And with something like this, with as volatile as this meaning that this stock, we could wake up tomorrow, this stock could be at $6. Now the next day after that, this stock could be back at $1.50. this stock's very unstable, and I would rather see you guys and invest in something that has a brighter future. Now, I'm not saying that GNUS brand is going out of business, because they're probably not. But within the next couple of years, do you think it's better to put your money in a $3 stock, or spend a little more and put it in an ETF that is diversified across 500 of the top companies across the whole United States, and you guys get dividends, but this stock is just a big old pump and dump? I would highly recommend for all of you guys that are holding your positions to get out. So look at the related topics here. Look at the top company here. We have Stock Tweets. Now, that Stock Tweets is really Twitter just for stocks. You have group chats. So it's very common to see small cap groups trading this stock, but all of you long-term investors understand there's better opportunity elsewhere in the market. So that is it, though. I hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys smash the like button. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another episode. Remember to stay happy, stay positive. Don't forget, you guys can sign up with Moomoo and get a free stock literally just by signing up. That will be down below for you guys. So take care, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.